Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 29th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning colder here in the short term. Maybe some rain later this week, another chance of rain at the end of the weekend ahead. Let's check things out early this morning as this work week begins. A trough developing over the eastern states. And that's going to pull down noticeably colder air tonight and tomorrow. Highs tomorrow will drop in the 40s. This morning, the colder pockets up in the Tennessee Valley, Decatur 34, Birmingham sitting at 40. The high today not bad. We'll expect a high between 57 and 60, but again tomorrow will be noticeably colder as some of the air you see up north is pulled down in here. Temperatures this morning are below zero over parts of Minnesota and North Dakota, but the brunt of the coldest air will stay north of the state. Up on the watch warning map, we notice some winter weather advisories for the mountains of North Carolina for some light snow falling this morning. Otherwise, things fairly quiet around the nation today. It's the precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. Again, heavier totals back in western Washington state. Around here, rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. And again, this takes into account any rain we see Thursday and Thursday night, and more rain possibly late this weekend on Sunday. And we need the rain because, again, this is the drought monitor released last Thursday, and you can see all of a sudden we have severe drought conditions, D2, up now for parts of central Alabama, including Tuscaloosa, the southern part of Birmingham, and Anniston. So model fans, let's dive in. This is the 06C GFS at noon today. Trough developing over the east. The sky will be sunny today. A pretty good northwest wind developing. And again, today, the high between 57 and 60. But tomorrow, the high will drop into the mid to upper 40s. We start the day down in the 20s. The sky will be sunny and the wind not as bad tomorrow. This is Wednesday morning. The low well down in the 20s, but the high should be in the 50s. As the winds veer into the south. This is Thursday. Got a cold front just north of the state. That's going to creep in here Thursday night, and that's going to bring a chance of rain. This is Thursday night at midnight, and it certainly doesn't look like a big rain event. In fact, this is suggesting rain amounts would be under 1/4 of an inch. And then Friday, a colder, drier air mass drops in here. Highs probably back into the upper 40s. The sky becoming mostly sunny Friday. What about the weekend, you ask? Well, let's see. Saturday looks pretty good. Now, Saturday morning will be cold. We start the day in the 20s, but the high should be in the mid to upper 50s. The GFS is printing a high of 57 for Birmingham. And then Sunday, moisture returns. This is suggesting a chance of some rain statewide. The deeper moisture down across the southern half of the state. Maybe some snow up in East Tennessee, not here. And a pretty cold air mass up north. That's a 1,050 millibar high nosing into Montana. But this would be kind of a cool rain with temperatures maybe holding in the 40s all day if this verifies. We'll check the European just for consistency's sake. This is the European, same time frame, noon Sunday. And again, the deeper moisture over the southern 2/3 of the state. But again, most models are showing indeed a chance of rain on Sunday. And then Monday, a week from today, the 5th of February, deep trough over the east, and that looks cold and dry. Monday morning would be well down in the 20s, and the high Monday most likely in the upper 40s. These are the anomalies. Pretty cold air for the eastern 2/3 of the country. Warm, relatively speaking, out west. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Wednesday of next week, the 7th of February. Again, heights are coming up about where they should be here, and that looks dry and seasonal, if this were to verify. But we check the European ensemble output first off for snow fans. That doesn't look very encouraging. Of the 51 members, just a handful show a trace, and that's it. And the numbers off the European ensemble. You can see the colder pop tomorrow with the high dropping to 45. The colder pop on Friday and Saturday with highs in the 40s. But again, the really brutally cold Arctic air like we had last month or earlier this month, no, that stays north of us. And then beyond that, highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s. Very seasonal for February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.